Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find motherboard model on Windows 10. Let's begin. Now, to find the motherboard model on Windows 10 PC, you can use several methods, and one of them is pressing the Window button plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Now, from here, I need you to type msinfo 32 and hit enter, because what will happen is it will open the system information. Now, in the system information window, look for system summary right here, and from there in the left pane, all I have to do is you will find the details about your system, including the baseboard manufacturer and the baseboard model, of course, which represent your motherboard manufacturer and model respectively. Now, the next method that you can do is you can use a third-party software. For example, if you prefer a graphical interface or additional details, of course, you can use a software like CPU-Z or this CPU ID to easily view detailed information about your motherboard. Of course, all you have to do is go to this website and download this CPU-Z or CPU ID, and from there launch CPU-Z and go to the main board to see your motherboard model and other details. All right, now the next option is you might want to try Speccy. Okay, so go to this website www.ccleaner.com/Speccy, and after installation, launch Speccy and navigate to the motherboard section to view detailed information about your motherboard. So I use Speccy a lot because not only it gives me the motherboard information, it also gives me the temperature to my devices. So there's a lot. There's an option for you to free download. There's the Speccy Professional and the Speccy Plus option. All right. Now, the least popular option is you can go to the command prompt or CMD or the PowerShell. And from here, you can do this by searching CMD or PowerShell in the start menu and selecting the appropriate option. Now, type the following command. All right. And after typing the following command, I need you to press enter. And after pressing that, this command will display information about your motherboard, including the manufacturer and model. All right, now by using one of these methods, you should be able to identify the motherboard model on your Windows 10 PC, because this information can be useful when upgrading hardware, installing drivers, or troubleshooting compatibility issues. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.